Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update the Atlas Earth application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. If your Atlas Earth application is not working as it is supposed to, or you experience various types of bugs and errors, then the main reason might be that your application is not updated to the latest version. So in order to solve this, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device, and then tap on the search box and then type in Atlas Earth and start your search. Once you find the Atlas Earth application, you can tap on it, and then if you see an update button instead of open, then you will need to tap on it to begin installing the latest updates. Simply tap on update and wait for a while until the installation is completed. Once the installation is done, you will once again see the open button. So go ahead and tap on it, and now you can start using the Atlas Earth application once again without any errors or issues, as it will start to run on the latest version of updates for the app. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to update the Atlas Earth application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.